If you're sweating in your Kia Sportage, it might be time to check your AC. First up, check the basics. Look at your AC settings. Make sure it's actually on cool mode and not heat. Sounds simple, but you'd be surprised. Next, check the AC fuse. Sometimes the fuse can blow and stop the AC from working. If it's blown, replace it. Easy fix. Still no luck? Let's move on to the refrigerant. Low refrigerant levels can cause your AC to blow warm air. You might need a professional to top it up. Don't try it yourself if you're unsure. Another common issue? The AC compressor. If it's faulty, your AC won't cool properly. Listen for strange noises or a lack of cold air. You might need a mechanic to replace it. Lastly, check the cabin air filter. If it's clogged, it can restrict airflow and make your AC less effective. Swap it out if needed. So, to recap, check your settings: fuse, refrigerant, compressor, and cabin air filter. And remember, sometimes you just need a pro to take a look. Stay cool out there. See you next time.